Good morning, students. Welcome to Gyaniketan Girls School. I am Vijay Anand, your accountancy teacher, and we were discussing chapter 5, admission of a partner, and the topic was treatment of goodwill. We have already discussed case 1 and case 2. Now, in today's lecture, we shall discuss case 3, when goodwill brought in cash by the new partner is withdrawn by the sacrificing partner, that is, old partners. So, goodwill has been brought in cash by the new partner, that is, premium for goodwill has been brought in by the new partner in cash, and this has been withdrawn by the sacrificing partners. So what would be the journal entries, that is accounting treatment in this case? The first journal entry would be the same as was in case 2, that is cash account debit or bank account debit to premium for goodwill. Similarly, second journal entry will also be the same, that is distribution of this premium for goodwill to the sacrificing partners in sacrificing ratio, and therefore premium for goodwill account will be debited and sacrificing partners capital or current account will be created in sacrificing ratio. Now, as far as withdrawal of the premium distributed is concerned, there is an additional journal entry which is required to be passed, and the journal entry is sacrificing partners capital account debit to cash or bank account. So whoever is withdrawing the money, the partner who is withdrawing the money that has been distributed in the last journal entries in sacrificing ratios, that partner's capital or current account will be debited and cash account will be credited. So this is the additional entry that we are required to pass. Now let us understand the same illustration which we have discussed in case 2, when the amount of goodwill brought in by the new partner has been withdrawn by the sacrificing partners. So let us read this case. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. They admit Z as a partner for 1/5 share in profits. This share is contributed by them in the ratio 2:3. 2:3 means this is the sacrificing ratio, since Z is to get 1/5 share in profits and the same has been contributed by X and Y in the ratio 2:3. So this is nothing but sacrificing ratio. And goodwill of the firm, please mind it that goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 50,000. So it is the full value of goodwill that belong to firm. Z brings in the necessary amount in cash as his share of firm's goodwill. So he is to bring necessary amount. So what would be the necessary amount? You already know, 50,000 into 1/5, that is 10,000 is the amount of goodwill that Z is to bring. So Z brings in the necessary amount in cash as his share of firm's goodwill and rupees 30,000 as his capital. He is also bringing in 30,000 as his capital. So pass necessary journal entries if capitals are fixed under the following case: when the amount of goodwill is withdrawn by the concerned partners to the extent of 50%. So the partners are withdrawing goodwill to the extent of 50% only. So whatever amount has been received by X and Y as premium of goodwill, the whole amount is not getting withdrawn. Only 50% of the amount created is going to be withdrawn by the partners, sacrificing partners, that is X and Y. So let's understand the solution. The first journal entry would be cash account debit to Z's capital account. 30,000 is given in the question, and premium for goodwill that you have already calculated, that is 50,000 total value of firm's goodwill into 1 by 5, that is Z's share, that is 10,000 is the premium for goodwill. So total amount brought in by Z is 40,000. So cash account has been debited. Bank account may also be debited by rupees 40,000. Now second entry would be this premium for goodwill has been distributed to the sacrificing partners in their sacrificing ratio. So 10,000 has been distributed in the ratio 2:3. So 4,000 and 6,000 has been distributed to X and Y. Now you can understand that X and Y has been created with 4,000 and 6,000 respectively as a compensation that Z has brought in the form of premium for goodwill. And now X and Y are going to withdraw this amount, but they are not going to withdraw full amount. They are going to withdraw only 50% of the amount credited to them. So the next journal entry for withdrawal of money will be X current account debit, since it is given in the question that they are maintaining fixed method of capital. So X's current account debit, Y's current account debit. So 50% of amount credited, that is 4,000 into 1 by 2, 2,000, and 6,000 to 1 by 2, that is 3,000, 50%. To cash, 10,000 was total amount that was distributed to them, and only 5,000 is going out of the business as cash. So this is the journal entry for withdrawal of money. So there are three entries you must remember. First two entries are same as was in case 2, and the additional entry, that is amount of withdrawal, will be given to you. How much amount they are going to withdraw. In this case 50% was given, in some cases 10% will be given, in some cases 75% will be given, 3/4 will be given, 2/3 will be given. Whatever amount is given, that respective partner who is withdrawing the premium for goodwill that has been distributed, that partner's capital or current account will be debited and cash account will be credited. Thank you very much.